Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. On January 30th, Governor Katie Hobbs signed off on the City of Prescott's charter amendments that you, the voters, passed on the November 7th election. These 12 charter amendments are now effective immediately. I want to compliment city staff and Sadie Sardi, our web designer, on the new City of Prescott website. They've worked hard to make it easy to use, as well as giving it a beautiful look. Updating a website is always a daunting task, and updating the city website, which has thousands of pages of information, is quite the challenge. This project has taken well over a year, but it's worth the wait. If you have comments or suggestions, please fill out the Citizens Inquiry form that can be found at the bottom of all pages of the website. The Prescott Lakes Parkway and Sundog Ranch Road intersection improvements project is scheduled to begin the week of February 12th. The City of Prescott and our contractor, Asphalt Paving and Supply, will begin a new project to improve the safety of the Prescott Lakes Parkway and Sundog Ranch Road intersection. The project includes reconstructing and signalizing the intersection to improve safety and traffic flow. In addition to the new traffic signals, this project includes turn lane additions, new sidewalks, and ramps at all three corners of the intersection, new traffic markings, and the reconstruction of asphalt pavement. Completion of this project is scheduled for the end of May 2024. Work may occur Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Please be aware of lane closures and restrictions, rough road conditions, reduced speeds, loud noise and flagging operations throughout the work zones. Access to Sundog Ranch Road, the Peavine Trail, and the city's transfer station and all facilities will remain open at all times throughout construction. Motorists are asked to remain alert and please drive safely when traveling through the project area. To receive regular updates or reach a project team member, email news@prescottroadconstruction.com or call the project hotline at 928-237-3114. During the recent Prescott Chamber of Commerce annual meeting on January 18th, I gave a presentation on the state of the city. We had a number of accomplishments and projects completed in 2023, including the official opening of the Granite Creek Corridor Trail, providing a beautiful outdoor amenity in our downtown area, along with our partners in Prescott Valley and Yavapai County, and with funding assistance from the state, we have purchased land for the creation of the Glassford Dells Regional Park Plan. Our Public Works Department completed a major new 12 million gallon water storage facility. It's now the largest in the city. At the Prescott Regional Airport, we secured the extension of essential air service through August with a new bidding process beginning soon. We recently acquired over 76 acres of land for airport protection and 15 acres to aid the planned runway extension. During the past year, we've had some changes to city leadership, but overall operations are proceeding well. Here are some updates on city operations. The city manager recruitment process is underway, and we hope to have interim candidates to review very soon. We are also recruiting a new airport director. In the meantime, Mr. Kelly Fredericks is serving as interim airport director. All other key city operational positions are filled. In 2023, we promoted longtime Prescott managers Gwen Rowich to Public Works Director and Chelsea Walton to Community Development Director. 6 new police officers have graduated the Northern Arizona Regional Training Academy and are in field training at this time. 6 additional new recruits have recently started the academy. The fire department is funded for full staffing, with recruits scheduled to attend the Fire Academy beginning in March. Next week, I'll provide an overview of the 2024 projects planned. Our next council meetings will be next week, during the week of February 12th. However, there are several other meetings this week. Tomorrow, February 6th, there will be a Council Subcommittee on Water Issues meeting at 9:30 a.m. in the City Council chambers. On Wednesday, February 7th, the Mayor's Veterans Commission will meet at the Grace Sparks Activity Center at 9 a.m. Also on Wednesday, the Workforce Housing Committee will meet at 10 a.m. in Council chambers. The Planning and Zoning Commission will meet on Thursday at 9 a.m. in the Council chambers. Friday, the Prescott Preservation Commission will meet at 9 a.m. in the Council chambers. And next Monday, February 12th, the Pedestrian, Bicycle, and Traffic Advisory Committee will meet in the Public Works Conference Room on North Virginia Street. Finally, I was shocked and saddened to learn that multiple members of Prescott's Arizona National Guard, 158th Infantry Regiment, the Bushmasters, were injured in the drone attack on U.S. military personnel on the Syrian-Jordanian border. In the attack, it was reported that 3 soldiers from a Georgia-based Army engineering company were killed. The report said that 40 members of the Arizona Bushmasters were injured. The majority suffered relatively minor injuries, but a few were more seriously injured. On behalf of the City of Prescott, I wish to offer prayers and heartfelt support for all of the brave soldiers, their families, friends, and loved ones. We wish them a speedy and full recovery, and we look forward to welcoming them back home following their deployment. It's my hope that President Biden's recent military response to this unprovoked attack will hopefully prevent a recurrence. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.